What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is B-Side Investing, and if you can't catch the vibe from my voice, what a day. Holy cow. Let's look at Finviz. Just look at the overall market. We're looking solid overall. Dow is up 430 points, Nasdaq's up 93 points, and S&P is up 49 points or whatever. But we're not in that kind of safe play. We're in the speculative stuff, the mining, the crypto. Oh my goodness. All right, well, let's start with it. Today we're down, I think we're down like 4%. But look at our total, our overall performance is going down and down and down. So we're now at 38.31%, which, mind you, is still pretty good. I mean, it is good. Trust me. These days, like yesterday was a bad day. Today is looking like a really terrible day. I've done a lot of video. I've done a video on Digihost today. It's released. You can check that out. I addressed the point made with Elon Musk. I also did a video right now. I just finished recording about Hut 8. And they'll probably be released both at the same time. Well, whichever one finishes, whichever one I finish editing first. So, yeah. So, kind of making me like think about doing dividend investing and get a lot of views, but no thanks. That's boring. Very, very boring. No. Yeah. Okay. Let's get into it. So. Today, we just got killed out there. Holy cow. I know it's, this chart is not showing you the full picture. We have literally everything is down. Look at Bitfarms down 10%. Bingo's down 7%. Banks is down 11%. DeFi is down 15%. Digihost is our only saving grace here. That's the only reason we're up. Well, only reason we're down 4%. Otherwise, we'd be down 10%, I think. And Digihost, finally, I think they're getting some kind of attention, and they're up 35%. I think I'm the only YouTuber out there doing videos on Digihost for some reason. Like, I see a lot of my videos when I type Digihost. Hopefully I'm doing justice by Digihost. Standing by it. I haven't sold any Digihost. So I would love to load up more, like I said, but no cash, I'm cash broke right now. When I get more cash, you know what? I'm going to, F the crypto part. I know it's going to do well. My portfolio is kind of, in crypto, it's kind of like, what is it right now? I think it's down like 2%, I think. Let's see. Let's let it load up. Cardano is the only one that's up, and I think the other one was Polkadot. So, yeah, minus 1.2, 1.5%. That's nothing. But mind you, we did come from 9% positive to minus 10. So we're down 10%, which is about the market average right now. It was the average, but okay, so let's get into it right here. So I might add up more into the Bitcoin mining companies again to lower my average cost. Really, really good opportunity. Mara is looking really juicy and sitting at $19. Really, really tempting right now. Galaxy, well, I'm not invested in Galaxy, but DMG is down 10%. Hive is down 12%. Hut is down 13%. NDA equal. So break even. I would say Hut and Hive. If Hut and Hive were sitting at maybe minus five, then we'd probably be up. So that's what happens when majority of your stocks in this challenge is on crypto miners. So it is what it is, man. So the only company that's holding up us today is Digihost. Thankfully, it went up. So also check out the video on Digihost. Took me a while to record that. I think that was like 30 minutes long. So do me a favor and check that out. And let's see. So Bingo today released their earnings. So what I'm gonna do, just similar like Digihost, I'm gonna make a video tomorrow, and I'll see how the market reacts when the market opens, and yeah, I'll do probably around noon. So I'm just gonna go through the highlights right now, and that's it. So Bingo reports first quarter 2021 financial results and highlights recent business progress. So that business progress, it's gonna be long because this article looks like, yeah, this looks like a lot. Yeah, I have a lot to cover through. Just the biggest business progress alone, it's a lot. So I'll just go through the highlights right now. 180% year-over-year revenue increase, driven by record sales and consumable and growth in Sapphire install base, which is amazing. All 2021 milestones on track. Amazing. Strong balance sheet with the $362 million cash as of March 31st, 2021. Wowza, that's a lot. That's a lot of cash. 362 million. Well, if you've been tracking Bingo since I would say December last year, in January they did two huge public offering, one for $200 million, which kind of slowed the stock from going above, like just skyrocketing, which was in January 20. And then another one, 230 million public offering just 5 days later after this one was closed. So if you think about it, they had a lot of cojones to do this, because this normally should have tumbled, just killed the stock and just gone like 40-50% drop. But that didn't really happen though. So like that's how hot the stock was. It was ridiculous. Early January, February, wow, this thing was just killing it. So right now we're seeing evidence of pretty much what we thought was true to be like correct. So they're doing really good. I'll go through it tomorrow, so check out that video tomorrow. So maybe around noon. So we'll see. All right, so that was Bingo. So next we have Bitfarms releasing their financials, not today, but on May 26th. So that's when they will do their Q1, which I am sure they're going to do amazing. Just similar to Hut. Like I said, recorded, and it probably is out while you're watching this. So yeah, amazing. Crypto portfolio is down a little bit. Not much to worry about. Cardano, the timing of me buying Bitcoin yesterday was kind of terrible. I bought it, and then after maybe a few minutes or maybe an hour, it just fell. So yeah, I bought it at 53.6, which I thought was a pretty good price getting in. But Elon's news, just the tweet just came after that. So anyways, it's all good. Looking at long term, this is really good buying opportunity. The only thing for me is not having enough cash to buy the dip. I would love to put more position in VeChain. Solana, PancakeSwap is down to $28. Wow, that's juicy. XRP down to 130. Oh my god, that's a good one too. Bitcoin, great. Let's see, Polkadot, I don't know, it's up, so I don't know if I want to buy them. Chainlink, Bakery token, so, and Ethereum is down to $3,700. So really good buying opportunities. Market cap is still above $2 trillion, which is promising. Only it's above 2.2, so that's good. Other than that, with our portfolio, I mean, the market is kind of like just crushing anything related to Bitcoin right now. So MicroStrategy, Mara, they're all down. So look at this MicroStrategy. There we go. MSTR down 10% today. I think since the crash, about when the crash started. I remember this thing going up to 1,200, and then I was like, whoa, that's a lot for this thing. And then see the steady downfall. MicroStrategy, they hold a lot of Bitcoin, so I wouldn't be worried about it. Mara presenting a great opportunity right now at under $19. I don't think we've seen this since, what was it? Yeah, since end of January, which is really crazy. I've been waiting for this chance to come, but no cash, no can buy. So Riot is around the same levels. Yeah, $22, $23. And let's see. I think that was it, right? Yeah. So yeah, Hadid had some really good growth Q1, so check that out. And I think we'll end this one for now. Bitcoin is currently on the way up, looks like. Let's see, 5-minute chart. Yeah, we ended the market at around 40. Yeah, at around 48.9. So tomorrow hopefully it breaks 51, 52. Let's see. Yeah, should be able to break that. Okay, it would be really cool if you come back all the way to 54K, but that will probably happen this weekend. So no stock market trading. Ethereum is also down, but not that much. Look, it only came back down to 3,500, but it's recovering nicely. So other than that, I think that's it. Feel free to like and subscribe. Please always do your research. You know, I am not a professional advisor, financial advisor. So, you know, anything I say is just my own opinion. And check out my intro. Read that intro, because that kind of hopefully you guys are reading it. And doing your own research. And that's it. I mean, today was just a shit show pretty much. So, like, the worst of the worst that could happen is literally happening. So you can just laugh it off. I'm just gonna laugh it off and not even gonna be bothered by it. We will see some great days. Some of you, if you're thinking like should do dividend investing and all that crap, yeah, you do it. All right, you do that. That's not for me. So, and people who can handle like these kind of drops, I know it's crazy drops, like portfolio being down 20, 30, 40%. Like, not gonna panic, you know, because the company's principles, like structure, the people, that hasn't changed. It's just the market. It's the FUD, man. It's the FUD. You can't be panicking about that shit. So yeah, company is still great. The companies that I've invested in, they're all great. They're all doing great. Future outlook looks great. Hitting 100K looks promising this year, but if I combine the crypto and this challenge, then maybe I'll hit 100K, but we'll see. So yeah, it also depends on how much cash I keep investing and buying the dip, so we'll see. Alright, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.